Yo, 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 what's up? It's your boy, Playman Wagon, up in this house. We're gonna be showing off my crib, up in the hood. This is the cement house. This is this is my trap house. Hvor man kör mikrofonen på det? Sticker in i så jag... This is where I... Oh shit, fuck. We got my wall, my swag. This is the entrance. We got Markiplier on the wall and Live, Laugh, Love. XXX Tentacion, you know, rest in peace, King. This is where I think. This is my top secret Ableton table. This is the FL piano, Fruity Loops piano. I make beats on this. Oh shit, yeah. This is my couch. I sit here. So smoke the doink. Here are my fan fictions. Oh, kanske ska man skriva nu. Hallå? Ja, det är jag. Okej, perfekt. Jag klarar ju. What up? I'm back at the crib. Yeah, here are my fan fictions. We got the Undertale, Angry Birds, and shit. Here we got what the f? Here's a Mazda 6. Yeah. Here's a map of GTA 5. Very nice. Yeah. Smosh. Here we got the toilet, the Undertale bathroom, the bathtub, the undertub. Bless this mess, as they say. Oh look, I'm taking a shit. Lol, funny. Here's a mirror of yeah, it's a magic mirror. Shows your true self. Okay. Yeah. Let's turn on the bath. Yeah. Here we got my room. Hell yeah. I got the TV up in this hole. I watch anime on it. Some posters. And here I got my producer setup. I got the MacBook box Sweat 10 with köper musica. What the f? Yeah. Okay, here we got the FL Studio 12. We got Skyrim on the other monitor, cause I game while making beats. Here we got my yeah, laptop. Here we got. Here's where I sleep. Yeah.